Ackee is a colorful fruit that is a popular addition to many exotic dishes and has become a mainstay in Jamaican cuisine, both for its flavor and its beneficial properties. Scientifically known as Blaia sapida, this fruit is actually native to many of the nations of West Africa, not Jamaica, but it was likely exported here on a slave ship somewhere between the 16th and 18th century. The tree on which ackee grows is an evergreen, and the fruit itself resembles a pear. It is green in its unripe state, but it gradually turns to a yellow, orange, and then reddish fruit that is very recognizable. The fruit eventually splits to reveal three large black seeds surrounded by spongy flesh called the aril, which is the edible part of the fruit. Most famously, ackee is the complementary part of ackee and the saltfish, the national dish of Jamaica, and it can be found in almost every shop and restaurant of this Caribbean island. More important than its flavor and availability, this fruit is packed with vitamins, nutrients, and organic components that make it a useful dietary tool for a number of health conditions. Now let's take a look at the ackee fruit, its benefits, and side effects. The possibly rich fiber content of ackee makes it an ideal digestive aid, given that dietary fiber helps bulk up the stool as well as eliminate constipation by inducing peristaltic motion in the gut. This may help move food along, preventing bloating, cramping, constipation, and even inflammation of the colon, which could further lead to colorectal cancer. Dietary fiber can also help lower cholesterol and boost heart health. The possibly high potassium content of ackee acts as a vasodilator, reducing the strain on your cardiovascular system, thereby lowering your chances of hypertension and atherosclerosis. Ackee boasts an impressive range of beneficial fatty acids, including stearic, linoleic, and palmitic acids. These particular acids are unsaturated fats, which is a type of fat that you want to improve your heart health and lower dangerous cholesterol levels. Probably by eliminating the most unhealthy saturated fats from your diet, you protect yourself against atherosclerosis, strokes, heart attacks, and coronary heart disease. One of the key ingredients in a healthy diet is protein, and getting it from a delicious fruit like ackee is even smarter. Protein is essentially the building block of cells, muscle tissue, and other important aspects of our body that needs to be continually replenished. Ackee isn't always praised for its high protein content, but it may be possibly high for a fruit. There are a number of essential minerals found in ackee, including calcium, phosphorus, iron, and zinc, all of which may contribute to healthier bones and help to prevent bone loss and demineralization. Having a consistently high intake of minerals may slow, stop, or reverse the effects of osteoporosis as we age, leaving us stronger for longer. One of the most common vitamins found in fruits and vegetables is vitamin C, and ackee is no exception. With a rich ascorbic acid content, ackee may help boost our immune system by promoting the development of white blood cells and contributing some of its antioxidant powers in preventing chronic diseases and cellular mutation. Furthermore, vitamin C is an integral part of collagen, which is required by the body to make muscles, blood vessels, and tissues. If you suffer from anemia, it means you may have a lack of iron in your diet. Ackee's iron content may solve that problem perfectly, perhaps ensuring that you avoid side effects of anemia such as weakness, cognitive disorders, lightheadedness, and digestive distress. Iron is a key component of hemoglobin, which is necessary to produce red blood cells. It is important to note that ackee contains a poison known as hypoglycine, which is removed when it is harvested and cooked in the right way. In order to harvest the fruit properly, the fruit should not be removed from the tree until the pods open naturally. Additionally, the inside of the fruit must be properly cleaned of the red fiber. If the aforementioned precautions are not taken, consumers of the unripe fruit may suffer from Jamaican vomiting sickness syndrome, a disease caused by the hypoglycine poison, Symptoms of the disease include severe hypoglycemia and vomiting, and in the most extreme cases may even cause coma and death. Every individual should take great precaution when preparing the fruit for consumption. This will ensure that only the positive benefits are obtained from the fruit. Did you find this video interesting or informative? If so, please do give the video a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed to Elite Jamaica, consider doing so by clicking the red subscribe button, and remember to click the bell icon so that you always receive my updates. Thank you so much for watching. See you again here on Elite Jamaica in our next video. Y'all stay blessed.
Elite Jamaica.
Don't forget to drop a like and a comment. Don't forget to subscribe.